13 years ago, it's like, God, why are you bringing us to Gaylord, Michigan? But 13 years later, there's nowhere else I'd rather live than right here in Gaylord.
Scott Disler believes everything happens for a reason, although sometimes
Worst tornado I've ever seen.
it's hard to explain.
You know, we get blizzards, we don't get tornadoes, right?
That changed on May 20th, 2022. An EF3 tornado flipping this small town of about 4,000 upside down.
It literally went west to east across the entirety of the city.
95% of a mobile home park destroyed, 6,500 lost power, and 2 lost their lives. But out of this literal darkness came a light those living there had never seen before.
You know, I have to think if you were looking at it from the air, it just looked like an army of ants descending on the town to put it back together.
Maybe this was the reason Disler had been searching for, immediately turning his church into a safe haven.
For more than 24 hours, a nonstop line of cars dropping off supplies, giving money, businesses that were donating things.
And that unity helped the city go from hurt to healed.
You can't even tell anything happened 2 years ago. Hobby Lobby is back open and it's bigger than ever. And that, to my wife, is in sure heaven because of that.
I think if you were a new person to our community or somebody who didn't live here, you could drive through and you would never know anything happened.
Now Portage finds itself where Gaylord began, navigating a journey Clays and Disler are all too familiar with. They say it won't be easy.
It'll be one of those things that every time the sky gets a little dark, you'll kind of wince a little bit.
But it won't be forever. And they say Portage will rebound too, as long as they stick together.